Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to another live Drift Exhaust Sound Reveal. Ang inyong pambansang bomba, and my name is GM. And today we are going to be doing a live exhaust sound reveal on this beautiful bike, one of our favorite bikes that we really love to modify and upgrade, which all of you know. This is the Honda CB650R. And so again, before we start, we're gonna wait for everyone to join us, and so that we can get this party rolling. But just a quick update on our Drift Motor Speedway, which is an indoor go-kart park. Ito na siya, guys, oh. So there's still a lot to do. Almost done na yung stage natin. Hopefully we're gonna be able to finish this week, and I'll show you the coffee shop. This is the coffee shop, guys, oh. Yan. So the coffee shop is on the mezzanine area or level, and then close to, guys, merong aircon dito. So nakasalamin, may salamin dyan, guys, overlooking those who are riding or driving the go-karts. So really, I encourage you guys to like or follow our Facebook page, Drift Motor Speedway. And right now we have ongoing promotions for those who want to be a member or those who want to enroll in our academy. Sa academy natin, guys, yung trainer natin is a champion racer, international racer. So it's gonna be exciting, no? Because our goal here is to send racers, or build racers from the Philippines and then send them to the US or international to compete. So that's our goal. All right, and let's go back to our topic at hand. Ang dami nang nanonood, grabe. Kurt, Anthony De Leon, JR Batallones, Ralph, Jason, Ayan, Melchor, Agra, good morning. James, or good afternoon na pala. Hindi pa ako kumakain, guys, kaya good morning muna. James, Ivan, Rondina. Ayun, si Brother Eboy, good morning or good afternoon. Si Kuya Au, good afternoon, Kuya Au. Mamaya bobombahin na natin yan. Dennis Balitaan, Raimundo, Christine Dian, good morning or good afternoon. Nelson Malazarte, shout out Idol, Power Cycle, Cabagyo from Davao City. I love it. Jurban, Baguhin. Brother, see you tomorrow. He's gonna be bringing his 5.0 Mustang. I am excited to bring the beast off of that Mustang. Si Nilo says, shout out to you, brother, with the fastest Forester in the Philippines. Ayan, oh. Wilson Kunsunhi is also watching. Michael Asia Lilton, syempre hindi mawawala yan. Okay, dami nang nanonood, guys. Sorry sa mga hindi natin mababate. Mamaya na lang uli. Last na to kay sa Cebu daw siya. Denzel Mark Ganier, shout out from Cebu. He's gonna be bringing his Trident 660 here, hopefully soon. Alright, guys, para hindi na kayo mainip, wala nang sat. So this is the Honda CB650R, and again, we've installed a full exhaust system. So napakaganda ng headers, sobrang kinis, and there's a loop actually, and even the loop, guys, hindi nyo mapapansin, not unless you're really gonna take a closer look at the bike. And then of course we have the black bomb muffler. So for those of you who are asking, bakit may loop, bakit wala, pwede ba wala? Absolutely, the loop is actually optional. Now if you wanna bring more torque in your bike, then that's something that we can suggest you to do, to include in your package, which is the loop. And of course yung black bomb muffler natin. This is the same black bomb muffler we put on Coco Martin CB1000. So absolutely looking gorgeous. Ayan, so this is the bike. So huwag na natin patagilin pa. Tawagin na natin yung mga may-ari. Dito kayo. Sama kayo. And it's just wonderful to to see couples, no, who are supporting each other, especially big bikes, kasi kadalasan tinatago natin sa misis natin yung mga upgrades, but this one talagang full support. Oh, can I get your names please, brother? What's your name? Jong Johnson. Hi Johnson. And
Naira po.
Naira. Taga saan kayo?
Taga Tondo po, sir.
Tondo, all right. And what made you decide to bring your bike over here?
Yes, actually marami akong kinonsider and inquire. Pero drift exhaust talaga yung napili ko.
Napusuan mo.
Yes.
All right. So, that being said, I know we haven't heard the bike yet, but sa itsura, kamusta naman?
Ang ganda, sir. Sobrang neat po ng pagkakagawa.
Maraming salamat.
Excited na nga po ako sa
sound reveal na. Okay, so simulan na natin to. Wag na natin patagalin pa. Brother, punta ka sa kabila and you do the honors in starting the bike and then leave it at idle. Hindi ka na namin marinig. So cold start niya guys, 105 decibels cold start niya. Bago pa rin to almost it's just around 2,500 kilometers. Yeah. We want to give a shout out to Dane Sarmiento. Yeah, a favorite race car driver ko sa Pilipinas. Dane's looking forward for you to going here and enjoying the Drift Motor Speedway. Mag-go-kart naman tayo, brother. So this is how the bike sounds like right now. Sabi ni James Clark, how much? Alright, so the full exhaust system, ang basic niya guys, 25,000. If you want the loop, that's 4,000. And if you want the black knight tip or the black bump tip, that's 5,000. So if you want this kind of setup, nasa 34,000 siya. But again, we have the basic package of 25,000, full exhaust na yun guys. So it's really up to you if you want to get the full exhaust basic package or something like this. Si Sir Alden, Boss GM, inantay ko lang budget ko para sa MT-09 ko. Ayos, looking forward to that. Mike Masamong, uy, Sea Beast. Yan. BJ Cruz. Yan. So Darius Wong, sabi ko no, full exhaust is 25. And then optional yung loop and then the black bomb muffler. Si Jo Marie is watching all the way from Mindanao. Alright, so I think optimum ano na to, pwede na nating i-rev to. Brother, ready ka na bang i-rev? Oh, sige, pakinggan na natin. Ito na guys, re-rev niya na. Okay ba? O yan, 127 sa decibel reader natin. Ako naman namang bobomba. So good luck sa kapitbahay ninyo.
Kailangan sa malayo natin i-start start yan.
Ano sabi mo?
Sa malayo po
Sa
ata
malayo.
namin dapat
Kaya nga,
i-start. Marami magagalit.
Good luck sa kapitbahay nyo. So, ang ginagawa nila, nagpapapansit na sila para wala na kayong problema sa kapitbahay nyo. Pwede kayong magpapansit sa kapitbahay nyo. Ngayon pa lang, pag uwi nyo pa lang, bigyan nyo na kagad ng pansit. Or kung ano man meron kayo. O, kamusta yung tunog?
Sir, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda. Gustong-gusto ko yung bass niya.
Right.
Ibang-iba yung tunog pag narinig mo sa video. Iba-iba yung
Sa
tunog
Personal.
Right.
Yes.
Malayo. But,
Dami niyang kinonsider, sir, before kami pumunta dito na
right.
brand.
Wow. So, maraming salamat sa pagpili ng Drift Exhaust, no? Like what he said, iba talaga yung tunog sa person versus sa video. Because sa video kasi, limited naman yung makakaya niyang ibigay. Lalo na yung frequency niya, frequency ng cellphone natin, frequency ng headset natin compared to sa live. But I think what he's saying is that it's really different when you hear it in person. That being said, meron ba kayong gustong batiin? Shout out sa mga nanonood?
Shoutout sa CB's Philippines.
Ayun,
See you on Saturday.
Sabi ni Mike something niya, kasibis ka raw eh. So kinakilala mo, may nakakakilala na sa'yo.
Silang ride sa Saturday.
May ride tayo sa Saturday.
Right.
Hopefully makita ko yung mga members.
Yan. Aside from them, meron pa ba kayong gustong batiin na iba?
Sa family ko, friends.
Yan.
Hello po.
Ikaw, may gusto kong batiin?
Sa mga relatives ko po and friends in Bulacan.
Ayun.
And then i-plug na rin namin yung business namin.
Yes, please.
If ever you need hug and meat dealer po kasi kami. So, message nyo lang po,
mag-order.
Johnson Decena. Order po kayo.
Yan, kay Jansen.
And
Also,
thank you, Sir GM.
Thank you
Thank you,
then.
sir.
Thank you then. Thank you for the trust. And I hope you will enjoy your bike more and more couple rides, no? Para the couples that's ride together, stay together. All right. So thank you so much.
Thank you po.
And I'll catch up with you guys again soon. Bye.